young Groms. We are up and we are headed to New Jersey. We're back in the US and yeah, there's a Jersey swell. It actually got good last night and today I couldn't really sleep last night and I had some stuff going on. Not the best day yesterday, but this spring has been epic, so I can't complain about anything. We're gonna have a better day today. I'm super stoked. The waves are definitely good. The name of the game is definitely staying healthy. Like right now, my mindset is not trying to charge crazy hard. I've been pushing it like hard with just a lot of surfing, getting uploads every day, and the goal is to stay healthy. I do want to charge some big waves soon. I'd love to get like a big day, a big double overhead day, but I'm just rolling cautious, trying to stay healthy. And yeah, we're headed to the spot right now. Yeah, I'm back, homie. How are you?
Yeah. I was so scared he was gonna wipe out and land on me, but he like just made it.
Sasha's still out there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bomb.
He's surfing my board.
His eye is sick.
His eye,
what happened?
On the paddle out, a wave landed on my head, slammed me down on the bottom. First half of the session was okay. It was a little cold, and then I swapped boards with Emerson. Got such a sick one just now. He filmed me on one.
I got a sick clip. All
right, can we run the clip? Run the clip? Yeah.
I'll run that clip.
I can barely talk.
Waves are low-key firing. The goal of this trip right now is just to stay healthy. I'm gonna take the GoPro out. I'm on the Black Beauty because all my boards are in the shop, and let's do this. Got in the wetsuit. Kind of crazy I'm going no gloves, but I just couldn't find my other glove and I thought I could do it. The water here is 46 degrees. The water in Iceland was 35 degrees at most spots we were surfing. So I think I'll be all right. Yeah, I'm gonna be riding the Black Beauty. Kind of a weird board, just super old school. I freaking love it. But yeah, you don't really need a gun today, but there's definitely some good waves. So I'm stoked. We're gonna be out there, try to find some barrels, GoPro action, let's do it. I had this issue where my GoPro on the way down here, I don't want to buy gloves from a surf shop because they're like so expensive. I gotta like just pull myself up right now. Like I can't be negative. I've been having the best year of my life, so there's no way I can be negative right now. I gotta keep going, and I'm just gonna try again. I must be just really out of my funk right now. I went back out, caught 2 more waves, and was like, all right, got my feet in the wax, didn't bring the GoPro, it's in the car. And then, you know, I started the car, of course, to like get it running so I could charge the GoPro some more, and I was just like jumping around, and I always hit unlock over and over again. Every time I jump out of the car, I hit unlock, except this time I hit lock. So I locked the car, locked the keys in the car with it running and my phone in here. So I asked like this nice lady on the playground in front of where I was surfing for her phone, called the cops because I was like, this is an issue. I don't like this. I'm just borrowing someone's phone. I can't call AAA. Yeah, the Belmar police came through. Shout out to them. And yeah, they hooked me up. They like opened my car up and pretty quickly too. So we're stoked. I think I'm gonna go run. I just gotta get these bad demons out. I gotta get the juju back. I think I'm gonna run, keep the GoPro charging, and yeah, just hope for a better wave. Went for my run, day 797, and I really expect nothing out of this next session. My GoPro's up to 91%. I'm just gonna go out there, try to catch small waves, and yeah, I'm trying to have a good time, trying to not get injured, so we're succeeding in that, and I don't even know what else to say. Yeah, just trying to survive. Not lock the car and the keys again. dude. Hell yeah. Alright, young Groms, I finally got the session I was dreaming for. I don't know what came out on the GoPro, but ton of mini head dip barrels. Such a good time. Got to hang out with Eric too. What a legend. Let's get out of the sweatsuit. I'm stoked though. That was sick. The day kind of turned around. I feel like I finally got the session that I was hoping for, and it's tropical compared to Iceland right now. What a weird day, and I feel like maybe I'm too like, oh, I just want to stay healthy, not get hurt, and I need a little more fire underneath me. I need a little more like, I'm gonna charge and get a barrel. But I don't know, I'm just trying to like be myself and like look at what I want from surfing. And I kind of realized the last session, what I want from surfing is a high wave count session. I don't really have to get barreled or like do a crazy air or even do like a good turn. The best thing I can do is just get a lot of time with the feet in the wax and catch a lot of waves. And honestly, the people helps a lot. Like, it's just so much better traveling with other people, surfing with other people. Like, I got to talk to Eric this whole session, and honestly, like, just hanging out with him was like kind of the best part of the session. And this is just like my journey. I'm not even learning sometimes. I'm just like on this journey of like, I was on my big wave journey, and I'm still on that journey. It's not gonna take me to Mavericks next session, but I do want to go back to Mavericks, get a proper one at the bowl, but that is a lifetime journey. And right now, the road that I'm on in this like ultimate journey is just kind of like having a good time. The fire in me is there. Like, I want to travel, I want to explore, I want to get barreled. I guess it's definitely strong, but I think I just have a really good understanding of like what it means to be healthy, and I know what it means to be unhealthy. So I'm really focused on my health right now, and good things will come. So stick with us. I think we got one more trip coming if I can pull it together. I've been like selling some of my investments, taking all my savings out. I want to reach all 7 continents before I'm 30 years old. That's like a super lofty goal, and I want to surf all of them. The hardest one will be surfing Antarctica, but that's the journey we're on right now.